found 2? Oh boy. Nice. Video. Keep looking. Let's see how many you found. Oh boy. Nice.
He's doing it. Wow!
Whoa. Gently put him in there. I heard a crack.
Did I crack this
It's
one?
okay. It's okay.
Are you counting them? How many do you have?
Woo! This time I found 3 eggs.
Hey, who's holding that? Is he holding that? And that
He's
one's
not alive anyway.
Oh, that has your initials on it. Okay.
Hey!
Widget!
Wow.
How did this get here? I'm gonna find as many as I want. Whoa! Oh, this one got cracks.
Oh, yeah, Mommy stepped on that. Sorry. I stepped on it.
That's okay, Mommy.
Oh,
I still love you anyway.
oh, thank you, sweetie.
And now we need to find the last 2 more eggs.
Wow. You're finding lots of eggs.
Is there one more?
Well, we have to count. I don't know. Is there one more?
Mm.
Is there one more?
Remember I had one more? Oh, I didn't see this one.
What's that?
It's the bucket. Wow.
Oh, boy. Bring it in here. Let's see what's in it. Let's see. It says your name on it. Mark Robert.
And an angry bunny with a little bunny hat.
Let's see.
Ain't nobody see you.
It's so silly.
Maybe he's dressed up for you stuff. I never had the red bunny before.
What else is in there?
What is it called?
Blobby Robbie.
Hi, Viv.
Ew.
What's in there? Don't spill it.
Coins.
Oh, you can buy stuff like, you can buy stuff on the iPad.
Yay. Or on your computer.
Yeah. Hey, why don't you put the eggs right here? Oh, you're going to put it in okay. What else is in there? What else? More money.
Whoa. I'm rich.
You can buy more stuff.
And then more and more and more and more. find more pictures.
What's that?
What was that?
What is it called?
I don't know.
They are walking.
Let me see. Can I see? It says it's a magic wand.
It's also a 10 magic wand.
Whoa!
Oh,
Whoa!
That is magic.
Yeah.
Awesome! We better, when it's next Easter, we will say thank you for the Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in the next egg.
More money.
Yes!
oh, boy.
I'm gonna be rich
My
forever!
friend Mark Robert. Oh. You're my friend? You got all this money?
Yeah.
What should we spend it on?
More money!
Oh, wow.
We're gonna have to count this up in a little bit.
No more eggs.
What's
Ice cream
that?
cone?
I think we're gonna have to stop
It's
this.
from the London Express!
Is it? The Easter Bunny shops at the Learning Express? Cool.
Open! Open! It's in the bag.
All right. I have to stop this video though.